And it's that time. It's the new Snack Crate.
In God's green earth, they changed the packaging.
I think they said that they were going to, didn't they?
Yeah, look at that. You open it up and it's boom.
Huh.
You get tapped. No more facts.
Aw, there's not? No, the fun facts are on the side
Yeah.
now.
Home to the highest commercial bungee jump in the world at 710 feet. Only country in the world to have hosted soccer, cricket, and rugby. 2,000 shipwrecks off the South African coast, dating back to at least 500 years. The oldest remains of modern humans are well over 160,000 years old. And the first human heart transplant was in 1967 in Cape Town.
Oh. And that's the little card that's the list of everything that comes in that. I do actually kind of like that new box. It does make it a little easier. What do you
Mexican
think?
chili? Maybe. Mexican chili flavored potato chips. Oh boy.
Mexican chili, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Roars with flavor. Alright.
Mini cheddars, bite-sized crunchy biscuits with cheese. Says fruit, cheesy cheddar snack with fruit chutney.
Interesting. Let's see what this looks like. Mini cheddars.
Oh, they included the fruit chutney and the cheese flavored.
Baked, not fried. Okay.
That's the cheese one.
Ah, okay. So you got to try both of them.
Flings. Corn puff snacks. Flings.
Original flavored maize snacks. So maize is also, for those who don't know, is the old name for corn. The original name that, the Native Americans also called it maize.
5-star candy bar. Creamy caramel cookie and chocolate.
Well, that looks good. By Cadbury.
Yep, I got another Cadbury thing here. These are like malt balls. Yep, malted malt balls.
Malted milk balls. Milk chocolate with a malted honeycomb center. Chocolate de leche con favo mel. That looks cool.
Peppermint chocolate.
Ooh. That looks really good. I'm excited to try that.
Bar 1 peanut and chocolate.
You're not the biggest fan of nuts, are you?
And I'm gonna eat it.
Well, I get a bite of it.
Got a Nosh bar. Hazelnuts, caramel, and chocolate.
Ooh. This one might be mine.
Eat some more biscuits.
Eat some more biscuits?
Shortbread style cookies.
Oh. Well, that's kind of cool. Made with the finest ingredients and a touch of baker's magic. Would be really awesome if we could find places here in America where we could get.
Sally Williams nougat. Creamy, velvety, soft honey nougat.
Ooh,
They're either almond, macadamia, cranberry, or peanut varieties.
I wonder if it says on them. But there's one each, so.
And then Tex. That's Tex.
The lighter side of life. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's one of those.
It's a milk chocolate wafer candy.
Yeah, wafer cookie that's covered in chocolate.
Stony ginger beer.
Ooh, I love ginger beers. I'm a fan of ginger ale and whatnot. That's cool. And There we go. That's not terrible on the sugar either. But yeah, so that's everything that's in the box. She's taking some of it with her. You know, and we've got all of that. Like, these boxes are always packed with so many good things. And, you know, with the both of us, even trying snacks usually once a day.
Mm-hmm. I've got 3 boxes piled up.
Yeah. So, I mean, these boxes are definitely well worth, you know, you're not going to miss out on
anything. This is the original, so this isn't the mini, but this is the regular size.
Mm-hmm.
Is that it?
Yes, that's everything off of me. And
they have 2 more bigger sizes than this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they have a big, well, they have the large, and they have the family size, and they have a big box. It's called the big effing box.
And they call it that, really?
It's $299 a month.
Ouch. Well, I mean, it is a big effing
It's
box.
a big effing box.
So, but yeah, this is from Snack Crate, and I will leave a link below with all of the information that you can find. And like I said, people, these boxes, you know, you can pick the size that is good for you, but for a family of 2, and we even take some of these to work to share with our coworkers
and
too.
And I have the drink add-on.
And the drink add-on. It's, how much did you pay?
$32.
$32 a month. I mean, if you like to try new things, this is definitely a box that we would highly recommend. Do you have anything to add?
No.
All right. So, if you like this video, please leave a like in the on the button below. If you like these unboxing videos, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We do all of our unboxings as they come in. Also, an excited little teaser is if we get 100 subscribers. Wow, I can't talk anymore. 100 subscribers, I actually have a giveaway that I am working on making for one lucky subscriber. Feel free to leave a comment below. And if you have anything that you would like us to consider, new content that you would like to see from us, leave it in a comment down below. And as always, guys, blessed be.